cannot face when you're not near me. So can you take the pain away and just come near me? I'm longing for your heart, your love, your touch. So just let me.
What's up, love bugs? It's me, J Love, and I am back with another video. It's another one. You all, I love you all so much. So as you can tell from the topic down below, I am going to talk about positive affirmations. And at first I want to give a story on what concluded me to talk about positive affirmations. And then I'm going to give you an exercise that you all can do about training yourself to think positive again. And I'm not going to just say automatically, oh, once you do this, you will be thinking positive all the time. That's not true. It'll be easier to identify the negative thoughts and turn those negative thoughts into positive thoughts. So, if you know me, you know my story. The negative attraction that I gave off came from past situations, past stuff that I didn't want to let go. I was basically hoarding my life with garbage that didn't need to be there. So the new stuff and the positive stuff that needed to align with my life and with who I am, it couldn't align because I still kept that negative garbage or that negative attraction that I didn't want to get rid of. So I began to panic. And your spirits can panic. My spirit began to panic because it was so used to being broken. It was so used to being negative. It was so used to being destroyed. And I had to realize, I had a little guidance, but I had to understand for myself that if I didn't let go of that fear and start allowing the positiveness to affect my life, then I'm going to continue to not be blessed in the way that I need to be blessed in, or in the way that I was destined to be blessed in. So I had to train myself, and yes, train. I had to train myself, because you trained yourself, I was trained to allow negative attractions to affect my life. So with that training, it was hard for me to allow positive things to be attracted. It was hard for positive things to come to an attraction for me because of the fact that I was so caught up in the negative, in the fear, in the doubt, in the hurt, and pain, etc., etc. So, all you have to do, or all I did, I gathered up some colorful index cards. And in these colorful index cards, I wrote things on the front, and I wrote things on the back. And it's kind of like, it was a weird way. I don't really know how I did it. So I carried some on my person. I got thumbtacks. And I literally placed different ones on my wall in my apartment, in my bedroom, in my bathroom. And I began to start to train myself to think positive. I'm not going to tell you that this is easy, because it's not easy. It's not easy. And it's also not hard. Here I put things such as he will never leave you, ask, believe, receive, trust in him. Sorry. Today is your biggest day. God is watching over you. I will attract my husband. Enjoy your day. I will have 1 million followers. I will get, this was actually something, I'm not going to call this number out because then I'll be calling out my bank account. But it's something that I've been praying on. So basically prayers, just things I wanted God to do. And I know that he could do them, but I just had to ask. I had to ask him. He said, ask and you shall receive. But he didn't say ask and keep asking and keep asking and keep asking. So this is basically me telling myself that God was going to bless me. And I had to attract the positivity and let go of the negative. I talked about this, I didn't talk about it on yesterday, but I talked with some of my co-workers on yesterday. Not everybody, a lot of people in the world are worried about the past or the future. But nobody, hardly anybody, is worried about the present. God didn't promise you a tomorrow. But if you live your life right, I promise you, you won't have to worry about anything. No man knows not the day or the hour that he is going to leave. Period. So all we can do is just walk in our own divine purpose. So you all, I am about to take you all around my wall, not around my apartment. This is not an apartment tour. But I'm going to take you all around my apartment. In my room, in my kitchen. Like, I literally hang, and somebody told me, this is ghetto, this is ghetto. Well, baby, I'm going to be ghetto because guess what? I have to train myself to think positive, and I don't care what nobody says. Train yourself to think positive.
What can I do to show you that I love you? What can I do to prove that I want you? I didn't try it out before. I ain't giving up no more. Just look me in the eye and tell me what I need to do. But baby, realize that I'm not giving up on you. I'll climb every mountain top and I swim every sea.
You with it, y'all.
Fight away the enemy because I wanna be close to you.
Love bugs, I want to thank you all so much for tuning into this video. I really appreciate you all so much. I ask that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love bugs, J Loves. Peace out.
There's no battle I cannot face when you're not near me. So can you take the pain away and just come near me? I'm longing for your heart, your love, your touch. So just let me